All right, hey there folks, this is the YouTube Live, Study Trader YouTube Live for, I believe today is March the 13th. Today we're going to start a series. It's called Why is Trading So Hard? I always talk about it to my clients and to my subscribers and to you guys here on YouTube Live that absolutely you can make a lot of money, you can make a lot of consistent money in the markets, but you have to know how. So what we're going to do here over the next, or at least in this series, I don't know if we're going to do subsequent videos, but we're going to do this series, Why is Trading is So Hard? It's going to focus a little bit on the mental aspect and some of the key things that you can do to overcome these things to make sure you're starting to make money in the markets, because it really isn't that hard. It's just the perception thereof and a few key things that people make a mistake of. Now, let's assume the following scenario. Let's assume you have a system, whatever that means. Maybe you're trading breakouts, meaning a chart is coming or a stock is coming into a certain area and you think it's going to break above there. Breakout systems usually have about a 60-ish plus % chance of making money. So let's assume you know that out of 10 trades, using your specific breakout strategy, you're going to have about 6 winners. Let's assume that's our base case. The issue is that once people start having more than one loser in a row, or more than 2 losers usually, they start basically no longer taking valid trades, which completely messes up their statistics. So again, I'm going to show you what I have on my piece of paper here. Assume you have, out of 10 trades, usually have 6 winners. All right. Now, the problem that people have is they somehow think that is linear. They somehow think that they're going to have 6 winners in a row and then somehow 4 losers. That's kind of what people think. That most of the time isn't going to be the case. What's mostly going to happen is some variation thereof. You can have a winner, a loser, then maybe 2 winners, then 2 losers, 3 winners, a loser, winner, and so on and so forth, and all sorts of variations thereof. So by definition, if you have a loser, and then a winner, and then you have another loser, and all of a sudden you get frustrated and you say, oh, wait a minute, I'm no longer taking these trades, you're completely messing up the statistics. What you have to do is stick to your system. You have to continue taking your valid setups, right? So this is going to be what it's going to look like. But if you don't stick to your system and you stop taking valid trades after you had a couple of losers, it's never going to work out for you, right? You have to let the odds work in your favor, meaning you have to take the trades that are valid according to your system. In this case, let's assume it's some sort of a breakout trading system, okay? And that's really, really, really important, folks. So this is just one little tip. We're going to go through a lot more of these over the next week or two. We're going to do a couple of these why trading is so hard, or at least why people think it is so hard. But this is important. So I hope this makes sense to you folks. If you guys have questions or comments on this, please leave them down below. Please give it a thumbs up like. And again, the point is that your series of winners are going to come all in a row, and then you can have all of a sudden 4 losers. You're going to have a complete variation thereof. There's no linearity in the markets. Hope this is helpful, folks, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube Live.